Hello guys, we are from 12 Science 1. We are from group 4. My name is Adiv Gayu.
My name is Ahmad Daffa.
My name is Marchika Rimadhanti. My name is Rifana Arthaningrum.
Okay, now we are going to tell you about how to use blender. Before we start, I want to tell you about the things that we need to blend your drink. First, you need a blender. Two, you need maybe a sachet of drink. 3, water. 4, an ice cube. 5, the blender. First, plug in the cable into the socket and be sure your blender is clean and in working condition.
Second, open the lid and put your ingredients inside. Ice cube. And then water. Third, close the lid and hold on the cover.
Then turn on the blender and choose speed that you want.
Tiga.
Then you turn off the. If you are done, you turn off the blender.
6. Open the lid and pour it out.
Okay, last but not least, plug out the cable from the socket.
Last, clean the blender.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching and goodbye.